Hi, it's Jeff again with Family Legacy Estate Sale. Continuing on my opening up this large collection of toys I just obtained. These are all going to be for sale on our website, www.familylegacyestatesale.com. So let me go ahead and just dig in. Let's see what we've got in this box. We've got a Force-Link Star Wars A-Wing fighter. I think there's two versions of this. This is the blue version. And then I've got another Force-Link vehicle, Imperial ATDT Walker. Very cool. And then I've got some kind of Minecraft toy. Looks like it's some kind of kit that you put together. And this is a Japanese version. We'll have to do a little research on that, made by Bandai. And we've got another Force-Link Han Solo's Landspeeder. And then we've got Star Wars Rogue One, Rebel U-Wing fighter. That's a very neat piece right there. And then we've got another Rogue One vehicle. This is the TIE Striker. All sealed in packages. And what do we got here? We've got Kessel Run Millennium Falcon. Also Force-Link. Force-Link series I know wasn't real popular, but it's kind of cool nonetheless. And then I've got, I don't even know what these are. These are they're made by Tamiya. This one is anyway. And this Tamiya, it's a Vanta Mark II RC car. Oh, that's cool. Brand new. Pop this out of the box, and this is not an inexpensive vehicle. So it looks like it's a kit of some kind that you put together. So that's very cool. Very, very cool. And let's see what the other item is. It looks like it's another RC car. And this is also Tamiya. And Neo Fighter Buggy. Again, this is going to be brand new in the box, untouched. Yeah. And so very cool stuff. Anyway, these will be up for sale on our website, www.familylegacyestatesale.com. Keep tuned in for more videos. Like us on Facebook or subscribe to us on our YouTube channel.